Imagine a factory floor, no smoke, noise or danger, but a clean, smart space where human and robot work side by side. It's the future of manufacturing, and it's already happening in Australia with the help of Cobot. What is Cobot? Unlike the traditional robots locked behind the safety fence, cobots are designed to work safely with humans, not to replace them. As you see in the picture, the smart arm called welding cobot, they take on dull, dirty, dangerous tasks, making work safer and more efficient. But the real challenge is, in the past 2 decades, Australia manufacturing sector has declined by nearly 40%. Now the government is investing heavily to rebuild it. Still, there is a major roadblock, labor shortage. As you are aware, Australia has a diversified workforce. However, the manufacturing sector does not reflect this diversity. Women and younger people are significantly underrepresented in the manufacturing sector. My research asks, can we use Cobot not only to transform the production, but also to transform the participation of diverse groups? To answer, I visited factories, interviewed managers, and conducted focus groups with workers. Not only that, I also spoke to the robotic designers. Designers said that features like robot adaptability, autonomy, and human friendly interaction are the key to encouraging diversified workforce. Meanwhile, workers and managers highlighted barriers such as poor work-life balance, physical demand, and rigid job roles where cobots could help make the workplace more inclusive. I'm developing a practical framework which serves as a roadmap for the manufacturing to strategically use the cobots not just for efficiency, but also to attract and retain more women and younger workers, while ensuring a safer workplace for existing older workforce. My research is not just what cobot can do, it's about what they can bring into the factory floor to solve the Australian manufacturing labor shortage.